Hi everyone, it's Sarah and welcome back to my channel. So I actually bought the materials to this project around 3 months ago, but I never actually had the time to do it. But yeah, in today's video, I will be making a daisy belt chain. I really hope you guys enjoy, and let's get on with the video. And that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed, because I honestly think that the belt chains turned out amazing. And don't forget to subscribe, because I would love to have you in our family. But anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!